these are only numbers, until it starts directly affecting us and our loved ones. Nowadays, pollution, smog, and viruses are some of the main problems. Therefore, we created Benair masks for people's protection. Benair masks have integrated 5 layers active carbon filters, PM 2.5 and 95. 98% guaranteed protection against viruses, smog, and air pollution. Benair masks are made from 100% certificated natural cotton. Easily replaceable filters PM 2.5 and 95 can be used up to 4 weeks. Different sizes with close-knit design make a perfect fit for everyone. Colorful designs adapt to every style. More than 90% masks on the market are made in China, with no assurance for safe use. Only Benair masks are 100% made in Europe, designed, produced, and packaged. Safety is your choice.